Do you ever find yourself scrolling through YouTube and suddenly you stumble upon something that just captivates you? You know, that moment when you see something so vibrant, so full of life, that you can't help but click. For me, it was the bird of paradise dance. Now, if you've never heard of it, let me take you on a little journey. Imagine a world where colors burst like fireworks, where movement tells stories, and where nature itself seems to put on a show just for us. The bird of paradise dance is exactly that, a stunning display of beauty and evolution that leaves you in awe. So, what is the bird of paradise dance? At its core, it's a courtship ritual performed by male birds of paradise, native to New Guinea and surrounding islands. Picture this, a male bird with feathers so vibrant they look like they've been painted by a master artist, strutting and swirling in hopes of catching the eye of a female. It's not just about the feathers though, it's about the performance. These birds have honed their skills over millions of years, evolving not just in appearance, but in the way they express themselves. They dance, they display their plumage, and they put on a show that's nothing short of mesmerizing. Now, let's talk about the dance itself. When you watch a male bird of paradise perform, it's like watching a ballet, but one that's raw and unfiltered. They use their bodies in such intricate ways, twisting and turning, puffing out their chests, and spreading their feathers to create a spectacle that rivals any human performance. Each species has its own unique dance moves, and some even incorporate elements of their environment, like hopping from branch to branch or using leaves and twigs to enhance their display. It's a true testament to the creativity found in nature. But why do they do it? Well, it all boils down to reproduction. The males are competing for the attention of the females, and in the animal kingdom, it's all about survival of the fittest. The more impressive the display, the higher the chances of attracting a mate. It's a fascinating look at how beauty and performance can be intertwined in the natural world. And it's not just about looks. The dance also showcases the health and vitality of the male. A vigorous performance signals to the female that he's fit and ready to pass on those genes. Now, you might be wondering how this relates to us as humans. Well, think about it. We often find ourselves putting on our own performances in various aspects of life. Whether it's dressing up for an interview, showcasing our talents in a talent show, or even just trying to impress someone we like, we all have our own ways of expressing ourselves. The bird of paradise dance is a reminder that, at our core, we're all performers in one way or another. We seek connection, validation, and love, just like these beautiful birds. And let's not forget the role of creativity in our lives. The bird of paradise dance is a perfect example of how creativity can thrive in even the most unexpected places. These birds have adapted their behavior over generations, developing unique styles that reflect their individuality. It encourages us to embrace our own creativity and think outside the box. What can we learn from them? Maybe it's about daring to be different, standing out in a world that often encourages conformity. Now, if you're intrigued by this dance, you might want to dive deeper into the world of birds of paradise. There are over 40 species, each with its own unique dance and plumage. Some males even create elaborate structures or bowers to attract females, decorating them with colorful objects. It's like an art installation in the wild, showcasing their creativity and dedication. And the females? They're not just passive observers, they're selective, often choosing mates based on the quality of the performance. It's a fascinating dynamic that reflects the complexity of relationships in nature. As we explore this topic, it's important to acknowledge the conservation challenges these birds face. Habitat loss and climate change are real threats to their survival. The very environments that allow these beautiful dances to take place are being altered, and it's up to us to raise awareness and take action. By appreciating the beauty of the bird of paradise dance, we can also become advocates for their preservation. Supporting conservation efforts and educating ourselves about the importance of biodiversity can make a difference. So the next time you find yourself lost in the mesmerizing world of the bird of paradise dance, take a moment to reflect on what it means. It's not just a performance, it's a celebration of life, creativity, and the intricate dance of evolution. It's a reminder that beauty exists all around us, often in the most unexpected forms. And, in a way, it's a call to embrace our own uniqueness and express ourselves, whether through art, dance, or simply being true to who we are. In conclusion, the Bird of Paradise dance is more than just a captivating spectacle. It's a reflection of life's complexities and the beauty of nature's creativity. It encourages us to embrace our individuality, to perform our own dances in life, and to appreciate the world around us. So let's take a cue from these incredible birds and celebrate our own unique performances. Because in the grand stage of life, we're all birds of paradise in our own right. So go ahead, spread your wings, and dance like no one is watching.